Hello, this is Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto. It's August 3rd, coming at you with another video here. We're going to switch it up a bit here. I'm not going for a trading protocol today. We're going to look at HMX, which is a new trading platform. They're looking to trade crypto, FX, equities, and the commodity market. They have a bunch of things going on here, staking. You can invest tokens. We won't get into the whole gamut on it today. They just launched the HMX token today. Was unable to do my own research and get this out prior to that, but there are still some opportunities on this one that I'd like to get into. It's early on the token as well. They launched today at $3, and it's gone up to almost $7, just retracing a little bit. I expect this one to pump over 10, not pump, but it's going to go over 10, and we'll see where it goes from there. Again, not financial advice. Do your own research. This is just a token. Again, I bring you stuff that I invest in and I think are quality projects. But do your own research. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe, and we'll keep bringing you more content. So let's get back to the whoa, there's Sophie. The trading token here that we have, or the trading limitless on HMX. So here's the stages that they are currently. We're in the HMX token stage. They just launched this today. Again, there might be a ability to get in on this one. If you want to get into the next stages, phase 3 is coming up in about 14 hours. And what goes on here, they're going to release another token for liquidity on it, esHMX. And there's a couple options here. You can stake this one, or you can actually vest it for a year. If you stake it, you earn tokens based on how early you get in. So if you get, there's going to be 500,000 in the first batch, and you get a multiplier on that. So you get actually more value for getting in early on this one if you want to do when you're staking that one. And if you want to vest it, you can earn the HMX token, which you can actually sell on the market as well, not just providing liquidity. And you have to do this for a year, but you can get out after a month or maybe half a year. For the example, say if you vest your 100 tokens for half a year, you will get 50 HMX tokens, and they're currently valued just around $6 and some cents. Or you can, and then you get the remaining 50, and you can put that back into the pool, and you can actually return that to staking as well. So you have options there if you get into that one for HPLP surge, and then you're going to do the full scale launch on this one, where you can get into providing liquidity. You have the EHMS tokens, and you can also trade the HMX as well if you're interested. So take a look at this one. I like where it's going. I'm hopeful that it'll go over $10 here shortly, but again, not financial advice. Again, if you do like my content, please like and subscribe, and I'll keep bringing you these videos.